Hello, ma'am. Shout out. Hello, ma'am. Shout out.
Okay lang ba mo ang bagong yes, ma'am. Alam mo ako rin, ni Sir Paul. Alam mo,
Na, KJ Right, pa-picture kayo. May sama kayo di vlog.
Kirain mo?
Sige, sige.
Iwan mo.
Ito.
Matamos mo?
Nana.
Mamaya.
Excuse me, may we request them. Yeah, okay.
Hi, Shelly and Stacy.
and of course, may Sydney and Matthew.
Kamusta na kayo? Kasama namin mami niyo. Side po.
Ay, iba ko na pamabati atin.
Need bounce tayo. Bounce ka. Picture sa akin. Takot na ka na.
May we request everybody to sit down, please. May we request Paul and Tony and Alec to sit down. Yeah, Alec. Tony, ito. Please sit down. Go.
Ah,
Mga congressman, baka imbestigahin nyo sila sa Senado.
Oh.
Bakit? First of all, I would like to
Totoo.
thank
Mataktikal
you
tawa niyo.
Paul and Tony and Alex for coming here. We cannot say, we cannot take enough of what you have done last time. It was really a show. So, salamat sa inyong tatlo sa pagpunta rito. Of course, the artists could not be have done their best without the production manager. So, again, maybe you've shown the reaction of the people. It's now the talk of the town. So, we hope that we will be here again when the one Cagayan will win.